Stand sa atong legit buyer guys. Our legit buyers come from Binondo, Manila. From Chinatown. That confidential, di natin nakita kanina pa. Okay. We successfully testing our product guys. Okay, like this. This one guys. Okay. You buy 1 cup of this, 1 bowl, like this guys. Our finished product. Okay. Our legit agarwood. And one like this. Yan. Isang ganito guys. Isang ganito. At isang ganito guys. Okay. Ito ang ating mga product guys. Yan. He is from a couple from Binondo, Manila, from a Chinatown. Yan. He need the samples of our product. Okay. Nakita nila na legit tayo guys. Kaya nag-order sila, hinatid kagad. Ayan. Since we are legit, we have so many buyers. Okay? Maski konti-konti lang, basta legit, makabili tayo ng bigas. Okay? Dalawang klase kasi ito guys. Itong ganito, meron tayo. Okay? Saka like this guys. And for those who are interested yan, message na kayo. Wag laging parang tinatakot nyo ang mga seller kasi illegal daw. Paano naging illegal to na di naman kami nanloko ng tao guys. Okay? Gawa namin to para kami makabili ng bigas. Di naman namin ito ninagaw sa amin naman itong bakuran. Sarili ng harvest ito guys. Okay? Testing tayo guys. Testing na naman tayo. Yeah, like this guys. Testing natin ito guys. Okay? Testing na naman tayo guys. Okay? This okay? Ayan. Testing tayo. Ayan. Ayan guys, oh. Lumabas ang oil niya. Okay? Nag-u-oil talaga siya guys. Okay? Ayan. Kita nyo guys, oh. Dito kitang-kita yung oil niya guys. Eh? Mahangin, hindi namilaw. Okay. Ayan, oh. Yan ang ating legit na agarwood guys. Oh. Naglabasan talaga ang oil niya guys. Eh? Ayan. Ayan. Ito ang legit. Mas mabango ang amoy nito. Okay. Ito ang ating sample guys. Okay. Patay isa guys. Okay. Ito guys. Okay. Oil na siya guys, nag-oil talaga. Yan, halimuyak ang amoy guys. Eh? Okay. Insinso talaga guys. Okay? Ayan, ito ang hinahanap ng karamihan ngayon. Itong klaseng kahoy na ito. Kasing agarwood. And this for those who are interested, send me direct message now. Okay, thank you very much. And Okay. Ayan. Kita mo? Kita mo? Ayan. Okay, patayin natin. Hindi magaling mamatay guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Our stock guys. Okay.